There are two types of agents in this world. Agents who meet expectations, and agents who see them as a starting point. Agents who want to work and get out, and agents who want to challenge the status quo and elevate real estate from a transaction to an extraordinary experience. Relentless agents who seize opportunities, not just dream about them, and want to be energized by who they work with and what they do. Being one of the relentless agents affiliated with the C21 brand means making sales and memories. It's constantly learning while changing the game with your knowledge to take you that extra mile. The C21 brand offers competitive tools and bakes incredible support right into our foundation. C21 affiliated agents have access to products by MoxieWorks, which can act as your devoted sidekicks to keep you on task, a versatile presentation builder, and more. The C21 Tracker is an industry first that lets your clients know where they are in the sales process. 21online.com is not only a brand intranet, but a personalized productivity platform that guides you through the key steps and actions in the real estate process. Century 21 University provides learning programs based on your level of experience, plus national advertising that keeps you and your listings top of mind. There are two types of agents in this world. To those who settle, good luck. To those who defy, we'd like to talk. Join the most recognized and respected name in real estate, Century 21. Join the Relentless.